Would you ladies like a picture? I do street photography on a YouTube channel.
Sure.
Why not? There we go. I'll give you guys the location here. Here we go, right here, guys. Okay, you ready? Hang on a second. Here we go. And one more. Let me get my settings ready. Okay, here we go, guys. Awesome, awesome. You want a...
yeah, what's your YouTube?
Okay, it's DozierGraphic.
All right, thank you.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Hey, nothing. Could I get a picture of you? I need you to step forward in the light there.
In the sun?
In the sun, where you're just peeking out barely. So, actually, so step back. I appreciate you playing along. Okay, step forward. We got to get your face in it.
Makes sense. So I'm blind.
Like there we go. But like turn, now kind of turn, half step back. I appreciate you playing along. There we go. Perfect. Now look, kind of look out there like you're not looking at me. We'll get a close-up shot here. That's awesome. Man, I appreciate you playing along. It's an awesome evening. Yes, it is. Thank you. You too. Man, you need some sunglasses.
I have some.
Oh man. Hey, it'll look like about maybe 5 minutes it'll be gone. How you guys doing? Would you mind if I took a picture of you? I do a YouTube channel, and I can send you a copy of it if you'd like.
Okay.
All right. No charge, of course, nothing like that. But yeah, hop up in there. Good little memento for the coming downtown. So what am I doing here? Yeah, down to F1 and down to 320. Here we go, ladies, right here. Beautiful. Let's do one more. Right here. Look at me, like right here. Like right here. Excellent, thank you.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you so much, ladies. All right, you too. Okay, let's see if we got any sunlight this way. So once again, guys, here's what we're working with tonight. Got the hat on, trying to look a little more like a normal person that would be walking around with a GoPro on like this. So here's what we're dealing with. We got our JJC thumb grip right here, right there. We've got our GA1 coupler there with our 49mm UV filter. And I don't know that protects the lens at all, but you can wipe it off like this when you're out in the elements and that sort of thing. You really can't do that if you don't have this on there. That's one big reason is again, you can just wipe this off if you want. So the other reason is, again, I'll carry it like this, you know, maybe like this, something like that. So that's why this is very cool. You can get these in the description below. If you purchase from these links below, it does help the channel. Even purchasing the camera helps the channel. So that's the sun we're going for over there, that little patch. And let me act like I'm taking a photo. Well, let me go ahead and take a photo. No, I'm not taking a photo. And then I'll just go ahead and walk across the street. And we'll get them as I'm walking. Oh, yes. Oh, I should have been in front of them. So let's do that. That one actually turned out very cool, I think. Hey guys, mind if I get a picture?
Of course, dude.
I do street photography, so you guys look cool sitting there. What's that?
You want to smoke something?
Yeah, oh yeah, that's the whole point. There we go. Here we go. Let me see what we got here. It's a little washed out. We go down a little bit.
Sigma point and shoot?
No, it's a Ricoh GR III. And let's see, shot right here. This is a YouTube channel, so Thanks,
Best
guys.
of luck. Enjoy yourself.
There you go.
Yeah.
Hey, man, looks like you guys are having a good time here too. So right on.
Sir.
Hey, can I get a picture of you right there in that light, walking through this light? I'm a street photographer. Just sorry about it. I know it's weird, but it's just that'd be yeah, just walk this way. Yeah, turn around. Just go ahead and walk this way. it's a awesome. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Hey, if you guys together, you want a picture? I do a YouTube channel.
That's okay.
And
Good.
all right, awesome.
Same
Hey,
thing?
matter of fact, yeah, same thing there. That's awesome. Okay, I was going to ask her, but I would be freaky just to ask her alone, so that's why.
I was definitely on the phone with him, like.
You would have been like, hey man, there's some weird guy talking to me. Okay, just go ahead and walk this way, yeah.
And everyone being uncomfortable.
There you go. Awesome. Thanks again, guys. All right, you too. Okay, we're at 1/400th of a second, f9. Auto ISO up to 3200, and our snap focus distance we have changed to 2.5 meters. So it'll be interesting to see what we can come up with here on 2.5 meters. It should be able to give us a much better depth of field than we had the last time we were shooting, and that's the idea here. So as we get folks walking, can see what we come up with here. Again, you can't get too far into it either, but something like this would be interesting. That's kind of cool. We just don't have much shadow to work with on here though. So I need to check these and see if we were in focus. Appears that we were, so it looks like 2.5 meters is going to work out pretty well. So we're just going to get some folks coming here and see. Let's see, we want to get them coming and going, but we'll bend down and get some shots that way, but I don't know if that's going to do us any good really. I'm going to go this way. Cool. There we go. Boom. It's really not, especially with my shadow. So I'm gonna try to hide my shadow here. I'll act like I'm shooting up there. Tricky, tricky, sneaky. Okay, so this is working out pretty well. I'm going to work this little patch of light here for a while. I'm just going to plant myself right here and work this patch of light. Let's see what we get. Oh, I'm going to even bend down and put myself out there, because that makes it kind of obvious what you're doing here.
Way, man. They're just wide open all the time.
Now, Sophia is totally different. You don't even know there's a baby.
And now we're getting light. Now we're getting light.
All right, well, I'm on Maryland right now and walking.
Oh, that'll come out. So the 2 meters, and again, I'm kind of nervous about this 2 meters. It says restaurant bar, but there's no restaurant bar there. Let's actually see if I can do something here. And I don't know if you can see me or not, but I am leaving downtown Indianapolis, and I think I got all of the sun and contrast that there is to get this evening. I'm very happy with that, and so we're going to head on back and see what we came up with. And actually today is Monday, and you are probably, if you're watching this video the day it's released, you're watching it 2 days after I just shot it. So how about that for freshness? There you go. Very short shelf life. But anyway, so you know, we'll see what we came up with here. And again, very important thing to remember, guys, 2 meter snap focus distance. If you're shooting anything longer than or further than maybe the sidewalk that you're on, you're going to have to go to maybe that 2 meters or so, or 2.5 meters, or further even if you're shooting a long distance. Again, which I typically never do, but been doing that here since I've been chasing the sun and the contrast lately. So that will do it for this video. Do appreciate you guys tuning in, checking things out, and we will see you on the next one. Let me cut around here. And am I still able to go straight? Yes. Why are you all over in this lane? Okay, I'm going to come up here and sneak you around. There we go. So long, everybody. All right, guys, and so long to you as well. So again, we'll see you on the next one.